Relacionando gusmao husu nasaun membru G7+, atau liman malu, onde desenha modelo de desenvolvimento fon IDNB, orienta husi visão ida konaba dame. Primeiro-ministro Relacionando gusmao nebe nudar pessoa eminente ba G7+, li husi ne discurso husu nasaun membru G7+ sira, atau liman malu, onde hadia eficácia sistema ajuda global niang, fahilição sira funu niang, no apoia malu onde desenha modelo de desenvolvimento fon ida, nebe orienta husi visão ida konaba dame no autoconfiança nebe dura.
The G7+ was born out of shared struggle from countries that had suffered war, instability, and external interventions that often failed to bring lasting peace. We joined hands to improve the effectiveness of the global aid system, to share our lessons with each other, and to support one another in shaping a new development model, one that is guided by a vision of lasting peace and self-reliance. Despite coming from different geographies, cultures, and political systems, we were united by a common understanding. The success of making, building, and sustaining peace depends on our ability to take full ownership to our trajectory.
Chefe governo mos elogia dedicação husi Estado membro ser rotu ni esforço atu serviço onde avança visão nebe iha tamba G7+, sai nessa plataforma IDNB, macas no estruturado liu, ho carta formal no Estatuto Observador e Nações Unidas, nune e impacto significativo e discurso política global.
As we gather 15 years later, the G7+ has grown into a stronger and more structured platform with a formal charter and observer status at the United Nations. It has made a significant impact on the global policy discourse and in recognition as an influential voice for conflict-affected countries. Through peer learning and cooperation, it has fostered solidarity and knowledge sharing among its members, strengthening our collective ability to navigate challenges. These achievements, along with many other milestones that the G7+ Secretariat will highlight today, are a testament to our unity, resilience, and unwavering commitment to the cause of this group. I commend the dedication of all member states and the tireless efforts of the Secretariat, whose work has been instrumental in advancing our shared vision.
Sananamos fiar katak G7+ ia potensial atau buras la osdet ia número mai be ia influência. Tamane nia mantém onde continua habela institucionaliza esforço sira no metem habilidade atau harmoniza no alinha assistência internacional ho prioridade sira onde servir povo. Organização intergovernamental G7+ hari ia tinang rehung rua sanulu husi inisiativa Timor-Leste niang G7+ funda husi nasaun hitu no dadang ne nasaun membru hamutu rua nolo. Bem-vinda Simão Simenes, GMN.